to Children's Hospital, 7-year-old Logan has come in with his mum and a rather unique ailment.
Whoa, what's happened to your cheek?
The cheek looks like a hamster cheek.
So you're a cheeky little hamster.
No, I'm not a hamster.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, let's find out how he got that swollen cheek. Logan was cosily tucked up in bed when a pain in his tooth disturbed his sleep.
Hello, who's this little fella?
Keep up, Xand, it's a hamster. Anyway, Logan had taken his nasty gnasher to get fixed by a dentist before, but a painful problem came back.
Nice swag bag, Hammy.
What? Focus, Xand.
Whoa, okay.
Logan didn't feel like himself and so woke up his mum. Not only did he have a sore tooth, he had a red, swollen face too.
Oh, so that's where the hamster comes in. Ouch! Someone who does understand Logan's torturous tooth is Dr. Alex Trott.
What's been happening, Logan?
It's been sore. And it's turned into a hamster cheek.
Right.
I've got shiny here and it's bright pink.
Okay.
And inside I've got a tooth and it's got a big black hole in it.
A black hole? Well, that's a thorough rundown of your ailments, Logan.
You just open your mouth for me. I'm just going to have a look with the torch there.
Dr. Alex needs to spot exactly where all this pain and swelling is coming from.
Sore up there.
So, what do you reckon, Doc?
Okay. It's a dental abscess.
Yeah.
It's quite a nasty one. So it's one of these top teeth. I think it's his back baby molar tooth, and that's where the infection's sitting. Okay.
A dental abscess is a collection of gooey pus that forms in the tooth or in the gum and is caused by a bacterial infection.
First, it's off to X-ray for a proper look.
Come closer, your chin on here, your bite on there, and we'll be done in a minute. Good boy, really still. Okay, well done.
That's the problem tooth right there.
It needs fixing, so we'll catch up with Logan a bit later on and find out what happened.